Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on phone. So first you can download on Play Store or App Store. Just type Google Chat. And appears the application. Just download it, and you can also use Google Chat on Gmail. Just open Gmail and you can turn on the Google Chat option. Just click on three line top left corner and select settings and select chat and turn on chat space. It appears. Just click on it and just click new chat to chat with other user. Alright, that's how you can use Google Chat on phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.